nothing. Welcome to Ishigaki Cruise Terminal. So, what can you expect when you arrive at the Ishigaki Cruise Ship Terminal? Well, in this video, this is what I'm gonna show you. That's the walk. So you have to walk all the way to this bridge to then go down to Ishigaki City. From the cruise ship terminal to Ishigaki City is a 3.5 kilometers walk. It is flat and there is absolutely nothing on the way. It could be a long walk if it's a very hot or heavy rain day. If it's a pleasant day, like today, it is very pleasant. We are on, for the record, I'm doing this video on February 2025. Alright, I'm just checking there are no cars or trucks or bus when I'm crossing the road because I want to show you now the opposite side of what I'm showing you. That's the walk. So this is a walk for 3.5 kilometers. Let's go! Maybe I'll try to keep you entertained as we go. So basically this island, the island where is located the cruise ship terminal, is a man-made island. It is been first designed for the cruise ship, so you can see there is no need for another little ferry to help people get out of the cruise. So big cruise come here, much bigger than this one actually, come. So you land at the dock here and then you, as I said, you walk, you take a taxi or a bus. So this is a man-made island. It is the main purpose is for the cruise ship, for petrol reserve for the island, and for the Japanese I'm trying to find the word, so I have to stop. I'm like a zebra. If I run, I forgot what I wanted to say. The third purpose is for the Japanese army, or I should say the defense. Well, the Japanese self-defense army. So they use this man-made island to stock missile, defense missile, and that's the main purpose. There is also a scrap metal place, like they gather the scrap metals. So it's not a tourist land. It's literally just concrete. I will show you just in a bit because, well, I'm going to show you now. Let me turn the camera. You see, it's just tetrapods, concrete tetrapods. They are stocked here. It is a reserve of concrete tetrapod, and so we have it looks nice, huh? Well, you're going to walk like this for 3 kilometers. So it looks nice on video. If you walk here in June, July, August and September, you're gonna melt. Literally, you're gonna melt because the temperature in Ishigaki is not going so high, but the humidity is just insane. So when I say insane, it's like you cannot, well, it's like a tropical humidity. It's like literally 95% humid, and even though the temperature is 32, you feel it is like 45 or 50 degrees. I don't have experience with 50 degrees, but 45 is like northern territory in Australia or maybe Malaysia when it's super humid, or some when you're under the tropics, the equator, sorry. So I'm keeping you busy with some facts. In 2024 was 120 cruise ship docking at Ishigaki Island, and the Ishigaki Mayor hope to have more cruise coming this year. They want to increase the tourism. So that's the 120 cruise ship is apparently it's almost 300,000 passengers. Let me show you where we are now. Right, so you see it's not very exciting. Here they are actually making, I think it's for the stocking, to stock the missile actually. Now there are no army cars also or guards, but they used to have some last year here, so maybe they are improving by adding more concrete over the sea to expand the territory. Right, so let me turn back to keep you entertained. I have the sun in the back, so I have to be creative. That's a good angle, maybe. Right, so there is nothing when you land, so make sure if you go for a walk, know that you can walk for up to town is about 4 kilometers. So if you need to go to the toilet, go before you go, and a drink, and maybe an umbrella to protect you from either the sun or from the rain. We are at the end of February, it's 20 degrees, so it's very pleasant. It's a pleasant walk. And that's why I use this opportunity to make this video to show you how it looks like to walk from the cruise ship terminal to town. And I'm trying to keep you entertained with things in between, but I have to be very creative. Can you see the bridge over there? That's the Southern Bridge. And what is special about this bridge is apparently the southernmost bridge in Japan. So hence the very creative name, the Southern Bridge. So you need to cross this bridge to get back to the city, which is on my left hand. This is my left hand, so if I turn, the city is over there. So basically you keep straight to the end of this road and then go to your left after the bridge. You need to cross the bridge first. Now we are approaching where all the stray cats are left behind, and I can see a cute little face here. Oh. Yes, you can have a nap. I won't disturb you more. Okay. It is nap time. Alright, so this is the beginning of the bridge over there. This is a bridge which leads you to Ishigaki City, well, Ishigaki City Center. Basically, you just cross the bridge. At the bottom of the bridge, you turn left at the T-junction, and then you reach the city center, where you will find a lot of tourist-oriented souvenir shops, many places to have a drink and even get drunk, restaurants, and the ferries to go to the surrounding islands of the Yaeyama archipelago. Today is a beautiful February day. It's very nice. Wow, look at that, how beautiful is this? The cruise ship is over there, and then you have to walk all the way to here, and then of course you want to go to Ishigaki city, so you cross the bridge, and at the junction over there at the bottom of the bridge you turn left and you arrive at Ishigaki city center. If you watch one of my previous videos, you can see at the bottom of the bridge, just in front of us, just ahead straight, there is a utaki. This is where I made the video, so I'm gonna link the video so you can see it. So then you can recognize where you are. I think the view from the top of the bridge is one of the best in Ishigaki city. It is just amazing when you are on the middle of the bridge. You can see all around. It's really, really, really nice. So now behind me is city center, the port over there. It is absolutely beautiful today. I can show you. Right, so if you go straight behind me, straight over there, if you go straight, you get to Taketomi, Iliomote Island, Kohama, all those islands. This is from where you go. It is splendid. Will you walk? Will you take the bus? Or will you take the taxi? Or something else? To get from the cruise ship terminal to the city center? Let me know.